Hi, friends. Welcome back to another Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Wild West Clue 4. Again, I'm doing the small size. This clue took me about 28 minutes. There are um, three different styles of block in this one, and yeah, it went quickly. It was really awesome. And yeah, I don't really have too much to say about this one. It was really good. I think it turned out really well. And let's go ahead and get into the inventory.
All right, so I've laid out all of our materials for clue 4, and we don't have as many triangles as I thought we would. But let's go ahead and go through what you should have in your small clue 4 for Wild West. So you should have in your small triangles 2 of fabric A, 2 of fabric C, and 8 of fabric F. In your squares, you should have 2 fabric A, 4 fabric C, 2 fabric D, and 10 of fabric F. And then in your rectangles, you should have 4 fabric C, 2 fabric D, and then in your large triangles, you should have 2 of fabric C. It comes folded, so mine's a little bit, you know, just a little bit of a press will take care of that. But don't be alarmed. It's probably folded in your clue. Yeah, so let's go ahead and let's go to the sewing machine.
Okay, for the small clue 4, we are making three separate styles of block: 4A, 4B, and 4C. There's going to be two 4A, four 4B, and two 4C. Total amount of steps is about 12, but take your time. As always, I'm about to speed up the video for speed sewing. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you at the end for the reveal.
All right, we are finished. Look at these blocks. They're so good. I really just do love this fabric line. Um, the orange and black really turn out very nicely on camera. Don't forget to take a picture of your blocks with your Flat Nancy and post them to the Cotton Cuts website for a chance to win some fun prizes. I really just do love the Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these quilts, but it's just so fun to be able to sit down and have the pieces already cut out. There's like no thinking. I mean, there's a little bit of thinking, but there's not too much. So I hope you enjoyed working your Clue 4, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am planning on doing more than Cotton Cuts videos. I know there's a lot of Cotton Cuts videos on here right now. And also, if I sound a bit nasally, I have been sick over the past week, so I apologize for that. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!